you might be getting poorer every single day without even realizing it. And what's even scarier is that 90% of Gen Z today, are making the exact same financial mistakes. If you're under 30, you need to watch this entire video. Welcome to MoneyMate. I'm Mr. M, and my mission is to help you become smarter with your money. Today, we're breaking down the 10 financial mistakes that are quietly destroying the future of Gen Z. Let's jump straight into mistake number 1. Mistake number 1, living on credit cards. A lot of you think credit cards are free money, but they're actually a very sophisticated trap. The average credit card interest rate in the US right now is around 25 to 30% a year. That means if you borrow $1 and don't pay it off in full, you're basically paying back almost 2. Here's an example. Sarah buys a laptop for $1,200. She thinks, I'll just pay it off slowly. A year later, because she keeps letting interest pile up, the total balance becomes $1,560. All because of one bad habit, not paying the full statement balance every month. The solution? Use credit cards as a tool to build your credit score, not as a wallet. And always pay the full statement balance. Mistake number 2, not investing early. This is one of the most expensive mistakes Gen Z keeps making. Many people say, I'm still young, why rush investing? But compound interest doesn't wait for you. Let's compare. Emily invests $100 a month starting at age 20. By 60, she has around $250,000. Jake also invests $100 a month, but he starts at 30. By 60, he has only around $100,000. Because Jake started 10 years late, he lost more than $150,000. The lesson: the earlier you start, the richer you become. Mistake number 3. FOMOing into crypto and meme coins. Let's be honest. Many of you think you're investing, but really you're gambling. You jump into coins because TikTok says, buy now. Or because some Discord group is spamming a random token. For example, someone buys a meme coin after it pumps 300%. 2 days later, it drops 70%. Not because crypto is bad, but because FOMO makes you buy the top and sell the bottom. The lesson: invest based on research, not emotions. Mistake number 4, not tracking your expenses. A lot of you spend a ton of money without knowing where it goes, and that's extremely dangerous. A college student in California once tracked his expenses for 30 days and realized he was spending over $420 a month on snacks and coffee. That's more than $5,000 a year. Money that could have been invested and grown significantly. The solution: track your spending using any app you like. Just 30 days will open your eyes. Mistake number 5. Lifestyle inflation. Getting poorer even when your income goes up. When Gen Z gets a raise, many think, I deserve to upgrade my life. And then, a new phone, a new laptop, a more expensive apartment. The result? You still end the month with $0. For example, you get a $600 raise, but your expenses go up by $700. You're actually getting poorer. The solution: your expenses don't have to grow when your income does. Let your income rise for 2 to 3 years before upgrading your lifestyle. Mistake number 6, not having an emergency fund. One dental bill, one car breakdown, or one small accident can push you into debt. I know someone in Texas. His car broke down and the repair cost $900. No emergency fund meant he used his credit card and stayed in debt for a whole year. The solution? Save at least 2 to 3 months of living expenses. That is your financial shield. Mistake number 7, only relying on active income. If you earn money only by trading time for money, you will always be capped. And when you stop working, you stop earning. Gen Z. Today has so many opportunities for passive income. YouTube, affiliate marketing, dividend ETFs, digital products. For example, a small YouTube channel can earn $200 to $500 a month. Dividend ETFs can pay 4 to 6% a year. Affiliate marketing can bring in $50 to $300 a month. The lesson: have at least 2 income streams. Mistake number 8, emotional spending. Many of you buy things because you're sad, stressed, or lonely, but once the package arrives, you barely feel happier. Emotional shopping is a silent trap that slowly destroys your finances. The solution: use the 48-hour rule. If something costs more than $50, wait 48 hours. In most cases, you won't want it anymore. Mistake number 9, thinking personal finance is something you can deal with later. This mindset has cost young people tens of thousands of dollars. If you delay investing just 1 year to putting in $200 a month, you can lose up to $40,000 over 30 years. Every year of delay is a massive loss in future wealth. The solution: take action today, right after this video. Mistake number 10, not investing in yourself. One new skill can increase your income by $10,000 to $30,000 a year. But many people hesitate to spend $20 on a book or $200 on a course. For example, a $199 editing course can help you earn $1,500 a month freelancing. 6 months of learning to code can boost your income from $2,500 to $6,000 a month. A $20 book can completely change your mindset. Investing in yourself always gives the highest return. So now you know the 10 financial mistakes that 90% of Gen Z are making. And the good news is that you can avoid all of them starting today. You don't need to be rich. You just need the right strategies and the right habits. Which mistake are you making? Comment below. I'll make deep dive videos on each mistake this week. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.